This video demonstrates the execution of the shell script to determine the prime factors of a number. The problem statement of the shell script exercise is to determine the prime factors of a number. Let us now see the demonstration of the execution of the shell script solving the problem. The file is opened by giving a command VIF1 at the $prompt. The complete shell scripts available in the file F1 are displayed by the VI editor on the screen. We shall try to understand the workings of each shell script in the file F1. The first line of the shell script is a comment line. In Unix, the comment line starts with hash character. The second line of the shell script is an echo command, echo enter a number. This echo command will display the text enter a number on the display device. The third line of the shell script is a read script, read n. This read script will read a single value from the standard input device and the value read will be assigned to the variable n. The last line of the shell script consists of echo and factor commands. Echo $n pipeline operator factor. The pipeline operator connects two UNIX commands by redirecting the output of the first UNIX command as input for the second UNIX command. Hence, the output of the echo command is given as the input for the factor command. Then we press escape:WQ in order to come out of the VI editor. The VI editor returns the $prompt after saving the file F1. Now to run the shell scripts available in the file F1, we give a command shf1 at the $prompt. The shell scripts available in the file F1 starts its execution one by one. The shell displays the text enter a number on the display device. The user has to enter an input at this point. The user can enter the value 72. Then the shell displays the factors of 72 as output. To run the same shell script again, we give a command shf1 at the $prompt. The shell displays the text enter a number on the display device. The user has to enter an input at this point. The user can enter the value 625. Then the shell displays the factors of 625 as output. Thank you.